All right, what's going on, everybody? It is Sunday. It is gorgeous out. It is December, though, so it's holiday light season. We're going to Home Depot, pick up some Christmas lights so we can decorate the boats for you. Let's go. All right, first stop of Christmas light decorations, we're going to IKEA. Also, guys, like we talked about, what helps us out on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. That's how we can keep producing content for you. Let's go see what they got in IKEA. These hats are coming soon. And maybe some shirts. All right, speaking of merch, I don't know if you guys know, but we also do weddings. Check this out. BlackSwanGondola.com if you want to find out all the weddings on the gondolas we can do. Or just Black Swan Gondola on our normal cruises. But before we can go Christmas shopping, we gotta do returns for the girlfriend. So, standing in line, sounds fun. IKEA decorations. Smells good in here. Smells like cinnamon or cookies. Should we put a little tree on the front of the boat? I don't know. Let's get a little crazy this year. Let's do something different. Ooh, I know you like these colors.
Yes, I do.
You guys like colored lights or white lights? I'm on team colors. This little elf back here likes white.
You can do so much more with white lights.
Yeah, but colors are so much more festive.
Oh, how about these? What's the color?
Color? These are actually kind of cool, huh?
Right?
These are IKEA, people, if you like the mixture of white and color. Hey, look. Know what I mean? Pretty cool, huh? I'm hilarious. All right.
We can always bring up the ornaments and then lay them out as a garland.
Ooh, Irina's got the good idea.
Getting creative, put some blue.
I'm digging the reds, actually.
Red, all red?
Like if we did garland one color and red bulbs throughout the entire thing.
That would be fun.
We got gold over here. Hey, little bags.
Oh, look, these are cute.
What are these little boxes?
They're little boxes. That's adorable.
You know, we do gift certificates, guys. You can buy a gift certificate, maybe put in this little cool little box.
Absolutely. Oh, or one of the gondola necklaces can go in here.
Oh, that's right. Little gondola necklace. That's amore.
Great stocking stuffer.
All right, on to the next section of the store, or maybe Home Depot. Where do you guys do your Christmas shopping at, or Christmas decoration shopping at?
How about these?
Nope, we're not leaving, apparently. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Those are fun.
All you creative types.
Fun.
They do have some unique stuff here, I'm not gonna lie.
We can string lights through them.
What if we just have a panda Christmas? Alrighty, well, IKEA had good stuff, but see what other options you got. We're at my second home. I swear, when you have a boat business, you are here every day. I guess when they named it Home Depot, probably good branding, because they knew it's gonna be everybody's second home. Follow me, let's see what we got. What if we put him on top of it? Hey, he's got the same.
Hey, the mustache.
Yeah. Who wore it better? Let me know in the comments. Obviously, I wore it better. Oh, he got little me. His leather little me.
They're kind of creepy.
They are kind of, well, they just need a gondola oar instead of that thing. Home Depot is packed on a Sunday. That's what I want, that giant thing. Okay, white lights, colored lights. What are these 3D lights? It's kind of cool. Wait, are those 3D glasses? Like, I wonder if
Yeah, they are.
are they like 3D type of lights?
It's the holiday shit.
He's got a mustache kind of like me. That'll be me, future me. Okay, colors, white, trees.
Oh, this could be cool.
These are nets, right? Or no, are those dangled or are those nets?
Dangles, these are nice.
I don't know where I would stick the dangles on the boat. More lights. Your bows are an option. Oh, that would be sweet to do on that water fountain we have. Mini color.
I think you should do that.
What?
Your dog wants to start going. There's spotlights.
That could be a good idea. These.
But
We got 5
your
boats, 20 to 30 feet. So we probably need 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many?
try out the store, shall we?
Yep. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're getting festive up in here. What else do we need light-wise? Not gonna do white lights because we're gonna do the red. I do want net lights though. So
they have net lights, but they're white. So let's see if they have
okay. If you see these little guys, please send them to us. We break these all the time. Net lights are definitely the way to go. Let's get 4 of these.
Lights for days.
Lights. We're gonna light up that lake. Babe, giant size St. Bernard. I want a French Bulldog or an English Bulldog.
I want something that I'm not allergic to.
Just high maintenance over here. Okay, so these got lights already included.
So we'll mix, or do you not want the light?
No, more lights the better. Let's light these things. I want to see some space.
And it'll look better with the white and the red. So 5.
5 of these. Okay, I got 1 here, got 1 in the cart. Wait, 2. You're getting 1 more, right? Home Depot beeps going off left and right. This place is a madhouse right now. It's like the day before Cyber Monday. Ah, we're dropping stuff. This is cute. That's cute. Ooh, a little tree.
Get the storage.
I wonder if I can fit this thing. Does it fit? You don't have to lock it on.
I can't push you around.
Hey, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! We're definitely getting this one.
That's right. All this stuff.
Probably.
I got the cart.
She's got the cart.
Got the cart.
Let's go. All right. What do you think the price for all this is going to end up being? My guess,
309.
oh, you think 300? I'm going to guess 250. Take a look at the cart real quick. Okay. Anybody want to give their guess what they think it's going to be? I don't know. Who knows Home Depot well? Who's got their...
300.
I'm on Team Home Depot.
Okay, guys. Loads. How about below?
Home Depot. Oh, self-checkout cracks me up.
Why?
Because they're having us work, which is fine. And then we still pay. It's like we should get like a discount by doing. I know, but we should get the. What do you ask? Do you know? What was your guess?
Passing it.
What was your guess?
To beat you.
To be you? Not at the moment. So maybe we have the our cute little apartment does not have solar.
Oh, ouch!
Okay, well, Irina wins this round. How many of you thought it was over 250? How many of you thought it was over 300? I feel like the opposite of Oprah. You owe money, you owe money, you owe money.
It's called investing in your business.
Yeah, totally. I'm so thrilled right now. All right, what we got? 411. I don't need everybody guess.
Gentlemen.
So if anybody happens to have $411.94, they feel like donating to sponsor our Christmas habits.
But let's keep in mind, we're reusing this for Valentine's Day.
We
That's why we
definitely
buy
will. Thank you. We'll do the wheels on the back. Let's do it. Oh, it's heavy. He goes again. You should sing on our gondolas, Irina. Follow me. Tomorrow we are putting them on the boat.
Just wrap yourself in the frickin', lights. I mean, you're kind of part of the gondola anyway. Okay, I'm afraid you're about to fling that in the water.
Alright guys, thanks for going Christmas decoration shopping with me the other day. Now it's actually time to put them on the boats. You can see we're getting ready, so come join us, let's have some fun and see what it ends up looking like. Come on.
right, guys, before we get going, you know what I'm about to ask. Hit that like and subscribe button. It helps us out and is much, much appreciated. Let's go.
I think it's what.
Scared the We got this little elf over here decorating the front of our boats.
Hola.
How do you say hello in elf?
Hello. Ho ho ho.
We just got her from the North Pole. She's learning our language.
What is this? Some ingenious design right here. I do gotta say. Oh, that's right. That's good. That's like. Okay, I'm sorry. That looks like. No, that looks like the redneck of gondoliers. Whoa. This looks cool. No, it looks stupid.
What's going on, everybody? I'm going to introduce you to our newest gondolier. This is our celebrity gondolier from Germany. We flew him all the way in last night, or a couple days ago, actually.
Yeah.
He's going to come row for us all month. He actually owns his own business in Germany. I believe it's called Gondol Fox, correct?
Correct,
Why do you call it Gondol Fox?
because my last name is Fox. That's why a friend of mine comes out of the idea, Alex, call your company Gondol Fox, and I think this is the best name for
There you
my
go. He hit his
little
name
company.
into the business. Now he's got his brand. I love it. So he's here for a whole month to come show us how they do it in Germany. We're going to have some fun with him. What do you want to do while you're here in California?
Yeah, I hope I can have some guests for you
Okay.
and to row a little bit on this beautiful lake and hanging around with you with your nice gondoliers and a little bit vacation.
So I asked him the other day what kind of food he wants to try while he's visiting here, and he said he loves spicy food.
Yes,
I love spicy
yes.
food. So you guys that are watching, please give us some suggestions from North County, San Diego. What's the spiciest tacos you recommend? Spiciest sushi. Let's see if we can make them try.
Yeah, really.
I love spicy.
I love
food.
hot.
You guys, come hang out. We'd love to introduce you to him. Or if you're ever in Germany, get on his boat. He's a good time.
See you on Gondol Fox or in Venice.
Or Black Swan Gondola.
Yes.
He'll be on everything. Hey
Are
guys,
you sure
so
about
this is
that?
Michael. He's our high maintenance gondolier.
Am I high maintenance though?
You are. I would say you're the highest maintenance.
Let's say he comes with instructions. You got to feed him before every cruise. You got to have a bathroom break for him before every
You have to
cruise.
keep him mentally stable or he falls apart.
Yeah, that's a little bit of all of you guys.
Now
know.
Michael is just kind of like, why are you so right?
He's like
Every week we choose a
like
different
a big
gondolier to
attack right
roast.
now.
It happens to be Michael's week right now, but don't worry, we dish it out even.
I think you're lying. I think it's Michael every week.
It's a competition hours.
I mean, hey.
Hey, they're on.
What's going on? This was a very successful day. I'm excited to show all you guys what we just did. We did all this for you, so please come on out, come hang out with us. It's gonna be a fun holiday season. All right, let's take a tour. We'll show you everything. All right, so first, the boat I'm most excited about, my little Gondola, a little red rocket right here. So you got the red and light whites from the beginning, going all the way to the end. I don't know, I just call this my favorite boat, but when you look at the Gondolino over here, that looks pretty sexy too. So not only do we have the holiday lights this year, but we also have Christmas Eve and we have New Year's Eve as well. Those are both special events for us. I think New Year's Eve we might be having a little champagne with you guys, so definitely come out for that one. But yeah, check this little guy out. We spent a lot of time on this one today. And I think we're adding even more lights to it once we get the other generator, I think. Little Gondola right here, all done up for you guys. Ignore the front, we still need to plug that one in. And then our big boy of a gondola, wherever he is right now, he's out with some customers, already experiencing the holiday lights. By the way, none of these lights would even be possible with the help of this little elf back here. The one I love so much. Yes, you. So
I might be short, but I'm mighty.
She's mighty. I love her. She's awesome. My holiday wish to you guys out there, hit that like and subscribe button. It does help us out so much. So if you're not going to do it now, feel free to put it in a stocking underneath my tree and then do it later, however you guys want to do it. But much appreciated. Thank you. I got so excited telling you what we're setting at, but I think I forgot to tell you guys how to even do one of these things. BlackSwanGondola.com. It's under the Holiday Lights Cruises. Hit book now. It'll show you what's sold out, what's still available. Again, BlackSwanGondola.com. And hey, send us an email. Which gondolier do you want? I know you guys are starting to get to know all of us now. Maybe you'll get me, maybe you'll get Connor, Mason, who knows. So just put in a request. We'll see what we can do. BlackSwanGondola.com. Also, you guys are my YouTube family, which I love every one of you, but we're getting pretty crazy on TikTok and Instagram these days too. So if you're spending more time over there or you don't feel like watching these long episodes, Black Swan Gondola for both those socials. Add us, follow us, whatever that lingo is. Let's have some fun over there. See you there.